Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain a chapter from your literature textbook. The name of a chapter is Jane Eyre at Lowood Institution. It's written by Caroline Braun. So before I start this chapter, let me tell you all that this chapter has been extracted from a famous novel named as Jane Eyre. Here are the some important characters of this play. Let me introduce let one by one. Here is Jane Eyre. Jane Eyre is the protagonist and narrator of the story. Next comes Mrs. Reed. Mrs. Reed is Jane's cold-hearted aunt. She dislikes Jane. Helen Burns. Helen Burns was only one best friend of Jane at Lowood School. Next comes your Brocklehurst. Brocklehurst was the headmaster of Lowood School and he was very cruel and very rude to the students. Here comes Mr. Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd was kind apothecary, that means a chemist. Last but not the least, Miss Temple. Miss Temple, she is a beautiful and kind superintendent of Lowood School. Now here comes the Lowood Institution. This is a school for poor and orphan girls. Here you can see the pictures. Now let's begin the chapter. Jane Eyre, the protagonist and narrator of the story. She becomes orphan at young age and was adopted by her uncle Mr. Reed. But he died as well. Mr. Reed was supposed to take care of Jane because when Mr. Reed was on his deathbed, he pleaded his wife to care of her. Mrs. Reed was cruel towards Jane, offering her little happiness and punishing her relentlessly. She punishes Jane by locking her in the Red Room and forbidding anyone to let her out. And let me all tell you, Red Room is a room where Mr. Reed was dead. Being fed up with Jane, she sent her to charitable school called Lowood School. There she met some fate as the director of that school, namely Brocklehurst. He was cruel as well as miser. However, a superintendent of the school, namely Miss Temple, shows sympathy towards her. In the school, nobody likes Jane just because of Brocklehurst, because in the beginning only he told everybody that Jane is a liar and nobody is supposed to talk to her. Jane met Helen Burns in the school. Helen's religious devotions, simplicity, and pureness attracted Jane toward her, and they become best friends. In the Lowood school, Helen Burns was the only friend of Jane. Once Jane was accused of being liar as well as the deceitful person by the director and thus become depressed. Now here Jane was very depressed. He cry as well and she wants to make others her friend and family. But here people was discarding her. They were not ready to talk to her. After knowing the truth that Jane is innocent and how Mrs. Reed accused her, Miss Temple wrote to Mr. Lloyd as he was the only one who knows the truth. Mr. Lloyd replied to Miss Temple, confirming Jane's story. Mr. Lloyd told that yes, it is a truth that Mrs. Reed was very harsh towards Jane and she accused her also. Miss Temple assembled the whole school and pronounced Jane completely cleared from every charges. Here the charges was that Jane is a liar. All the teachers shook hand with Jane and kissed her. Jane got a fresh start and became happy. Initially Jane was very depressed child as she was orphan, nobody loves her, Her aunt forcefully took responsibilities of her to take care, but she failed to do so. She accused her, sent her to the school, that is the Lowood School. It's a charitable school, and there also Jane was not happy because people discarded her, nobody was ready to talk to her, and the most important thing, that she was charged that she is a liar. But thankful, but she is very much thankful to Miss Temple that she saved her and she cleared all her charges. Here comes the writer of the story, that is Charlotte Bronte. Charlotte Bronte, born on 21st April 1816, and she was dead on 31st March 1855. She was an English novelist and poet, the eldest of three Bronte sisters who survived into adulthood and whose novels become classics of English literature. In 1847, Bronte published the semi-autobiographical novel Jane Eyre. The book was immediate hit and became a literary classic. Her other celebrated novels include Shirley and Village. Thank you.